Today I am going to teach you how to calculate hypotenuse of a triangle using a Python program. See, I am going to type a Python program, click ideally, then file, new file. First of all, you need to import sqrt, which is in math library. So I'm writing from math import sqrt. We are importing sqrt function with the help of math library. So only sqrt function must be imported. Now we need to ask from the user to input length of triangle and other side of the triangle. So we need to use a print function. We have print a message, enter the length of the triangle, and length of the triangle will be storing in L variable. And second is we are asking for the enter the breadth. We are removing and typing breadth, and breadth must be stored in B variable. Both data type we had taken float for length and breadth. So any decimal value or float value can be entered for length and breadth of the triangle. Now we need to include the formula to calculate hypotenuse. Hypotenuse formula is sqrt of L square plus B square. So let's calculate as A square plus B square. This is the formula of calculating hypotenuse. Hypotenuse H is equal to sqrt of L square plus B square. L double star shows the power of 2, and here B double star shows the power of 2. Now we need to print hypotenuse. Now our program is ready. Let's run the program. Clicking the run module, we are going to save the file with hypotenuse or hypo. We need to enter the length of the triangle. Length of the triangle is 3 and breadth of the triangle is 2. Then hypotenuse is calculated 3.6. So this is the formula of Python code to calculate hypotenuse of a triangle when length and breadth are entered by the user. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.